In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make lined paper in Google Docs. So let's get started. Just simply open your Google Docs. Once you have opened your Google Docs, we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find all these tabs. Now we just need to simply click on the Format tab, and here we can find Paragraph Styles. Click on Borders and Shading, and this Borders and Shading window will appear. Now for the position, we just have to select all, so simply click on that, all the 5 options. For the border width, click on this drop down and we can just simply choose 2.25 point. For the border dash, click on this drop down and choose line. For the border color, click on this drop down and suppose we need to choose this color. And then for the paper, so the color for the paper. And you have here for the paragraph padding, click on this drop down and choose 6 point. And then simply click on apply. Okay, so we have created this one from here. Now in order to make this a line paper, we just need to simply hit the enter key on our keyboard. And that's it. That's how you can easily make a line paper in Google Docs. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.